Hey guys, it is Vishaun. We are back. Vishaun for real. Thank you for joining us. We are on another excursion on a family weekend, trying to enjoy the freedom that we have at the moment. We do not take that for granted at all. So, as you see, Vivian's here right beside me. We are off to Nebs Fun World. I haven't been there in years. Nebs Fun World in Oshawa, Ontario. They have like go-karting and some other stuff that you can, some other activities that you can partake in. So it's like one big facility. It's on your left there. One big facility that you can have fun with the family or friends, whomever. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, share this video because you care. Hit the thumbs up. It doesn't take much. Just, you hear me now? Hit the thumbs up right now. All right, I'll give you 2 seconds. Thank you. All right, so sit back, relax, enjoy the day. Let's see who loses. Probably someone in the front seat, because it won't be I.
Remember
okay.
You said that.
Huh?
Remember you said that.
I didn't say anything. Okay, and do not forget your Teami. Go in the description box. I have your Teami discount codes there. So head there and you can enjoy your tea and your tumbler as well. This, guys, this is my second steep. This is amazing. All right, so check out the items that they have to start your health and wellness journey. They don't only have teas, they have tumblers, they have portable blenders. They also have skincare products. Okay, if you go back to, there's a video that I have with the detox mask. You can take a look at that, and I will be sharing with you some other skincare tips and tricks that will help your skin to look amazing. Anyway, it's time for me to whoop some behinds. All right, cheer for me, okay? Cheer for me. So we are here at Nebs Fun World. So sit tight, stay tuned. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. We're just gonna go bowling today and have some fun. Take Vivian bowling for the first time. And we haven't been bowling for a couple of years, so sit tight. like your hoodie's on. Right, I was gonna say that. All right, you did well, you did well.
Oh, now you want to do that.
guys, so I'm heading, it's day 2, it's Sunday, and I'm heading to church now. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update in this video on my detox. So far it's been really good. I've been doing really well, working on my clean eating, and of course have my tea with me all the time. And you know, people are noticing the progress, which is good on this health and wellness journey. I am grateful for this tea because this will kickstart my healthy eating and my clean eating. And I just want to reiterate that the tea does not have a bad taste at all. It is so nice and fresh and natural. There's nothing, no extra additives, preservatives, or anything like that. So again, if you go in the description box, you can utilize and take advantage of my code Vishaun30 to save 30% with a minimum purchase of $49, and my 20% code off code is still available, and that one is Vishaun20. Very simple, Vishaun20, and you only have to spend with that one $29. So you know what, take advantage, join me on this journey, you know, help kickstart your health and wellness journey. Look how easy it is that you can do. You can just prep yourself, you know, some fruits, some vegetables, you know, fish. You can do yogurts, granola, like there's so many things. You can check on their website on different recipes that you can make for yourself, or based on your the cultural things that you like to cook, you can find things for yourself as well, and kickstart your health and wellness journey. There's always time. It takes 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes to make a tea. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe and share this video because you care. Now that is that.